If you combine your skill and analytical thinking with AI technology, you never ever replaced by anything. We give only a small count of words, okay, to change this huge email. So then we can change it in short time, only as a 1 minute. Hi, do you know what is the value of using placeholder syntaxes for the prompt engineering? Using placeholder syntaxes for the prompt engineering, you can accomplish your task into a very short time by giving a small count of words as a prompt. Let me explain what is a placeholder syntaxes. Do you remember these things that you did when you were a kid? That's what we are doing, the same thing with the large language model. Fill in the blank. These are common placeholder syntaxes: curly brackets, square brackets, angle brackets. Now let's go to the ChatGPT. I write these sentences. My name is I am I give name as and job call is freelancer. This is a simple task, so I send it. Now you can see the ChatGPT fill these sentences. My name is Claude and I am a freelancer. So I try another placeholder syntax. I copy this and I paste it to this. I replace this curly brackets with square bracket. Now also do the same result, and the angle brackets also work like that. So now we do not want to again and again these sentences. We can use these sentences as template. So now we give name as one job role teacher. Now you can see ChatGPT give my name is one. I am a teacher. We can use double curly bracket as placeholder syntaxes. So I forgot to tell about that. So now let's go to the another example. I copy some email and I paste it to this chat. You can see the name. I use double curly brackets as placeholder syntax. this email has name, company, and there are a lot of places include this company syntax, placeholder syntaxes. So you can see there are a lot of places have company syntaxes, placeholder syntaxes. So I give name as name as I give company as Apple. Are there any syntaxes? Company. Okay, fine. You can see the ChatGPT use schema and choose Apple. Imagine that we have to send a lot of email to lot of company, but this email is we can choose same email. Only one email need to send lot of company. Okay, then we can choose this method because we need to write short count of words. Okay, let's see what's happening. So I need to change this name as one and as give Microsoft and we can choose this as a one email, then we can choose this as another email. I LionAI. Okay, so we need to send another email. Then I queue this is Okay, so then look at that. We give only a small count of words, okay, to change this huge email. Okay, we need to change name and company, only name and company. So then we can change this in short time, only as a 1 minute. Choosing 1 minute we can change this email. We use one company as Microsoft. Use company as Microsoft. Then you can see he write another email. Company as LionAI. Remember that. This is very important. So remember that. If you combine your skill and analytical thinking with AI technology, you never ever replaced by anything. You don't want to be afraid. If you have analytical thinking and skill, LionAI ready to teach you how to use AI technology. You never ever replaced by anything. Don't forget to subscribe this LionAI YouTube channel, like this video and share this YouTube channel with others. Today's lesson is finished now.